Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. In the previous class, Introduction of Matrices, we have seen additions and subtractions. Today we'll see multiplication. You need to focus a little. It's easy once if you understand the logic. Okay, so we'll enter into the topic, multiplication of matrices. So three types of problems I have taken. Okay, the first one is only one matrices is given, that is A. A elements are 5, 6, minus 2, 4. That's all. To multiply, B element is not given, but they are saying find phi A. A matrices you have to multiply with phi. That's all. Okay. So we can do it very easily. And second one is A matrices, B matrices, both are given. Asking us to find out AB and BA together. AB, A into B, B into A. Sometimes, once if you multiply A into B, the answer, and B into A, this answer, both the answers will be different. It's not equal, and sometimes both the answers will be same. We'll see after working out whether both are A into B, B into A are equal or not. That we'll see later. It can happen anything, may be equal, may not be. Okay. And also third problem I have taken. In the third problem, elements of A is different and B elements are different. Here you can see 2 rows and 3 columns, and in B 3 rows, 2 columns. Still possible to multiply. Whereas in additions and subtractions, you can't do like this. But in multiplication, it is possible. That is why I have taken a different problem. Shall we enter? Yes. The first one is 3 problems will work out. Then after that, exercise also given to you, homework. First one, find phi into A. Simply, phi A you'll write. Phi into A. A is 5, 6, minus 2, 4. Finally, what is the answer? We'll multiply 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 2, minus 2, this is okay, 10. 5, 6 the 30. 5, 4 the 20. So this is your answer, minus 25, 20, 30, minus 10 and 20. Okay. Now next, second one. Is it clear? Simply we have multiplied each and element with 5 only because they are asking us to find out phi A. It can be 10A, 12A, anything. Whatever may be the number, doesn't matter, that we are going to multiply with the elements of A. We'll get the final answer. This is quite simple, need not to confuse. Second one. A elements are given 2010, B elements 0513. Find AB and BA. Now first we'll see AB. For AB what we'll do, just focus. Where is another marker? So multiplication, this row, A matrices row should be multiplied with the B matrices column. Row into column. Say row into column. This is the principle for multiplication. Now we'll do the multiplication. Just observe slowly. 2 into 0. Okay, 2 into 0 and 0 into 1. In between we'll say plus. 2 into 0, 2 into 0 and 0 into 1. This is one element you got. For second element, this row should be multiplied with this column. So, 2 into 5 plus 0 into 3. In the same way, 0 into, this is second element. For third element, this row will be multiplied with this column. 0 into 0. Plus 0 into 1. Next, for fourth element, this row with this column, 0 into 5 plus 1 into 3. Now just add it. Here 0, this is also 0, 0 plus 0, it is 0 only. Next one, 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 0, 10 only. Next, here, this is 0 into 0, 0 into 0, 1 into 1, this is, sorry, 0 into 0, 1 into 1. Isn't it this column? 0 into 0, 1 into 1. And for this column, 0 into 5 and 1 into 3. Everything is okay. So now this column, 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. This is 1. Next, 0 into 5, 5, 0. 1 into 3, 3 it is. This is AB. In the same way, BA also we'll find out. BA means first we'll write B into A. B is here 0, 5, 1, 3 into A. A is 2, 0, 1, 0, 1. A is 2, 0, 0, 1. B is 0, 5, 1, 3. Okay. Now in the same way, multiplication this row with this column. Multiply. 0 into 2 plus 5 into 0. Next one, 0 into 0, 5 into 1 plus 5 into 1. For third one, 1 into 2. This row with another column. 1 into 2, close the bracket later. 1 into 2, 3 into 0. Next, 1 into 0 plus 3 into 1. Now, if we do the final calculation, this is 0, this is also 0, so it is 0 only. Next one, this is 0 and this is 5, so it is 5. Here it is 2, but this is 0, so you will get 2. Next, this is 0 and 3. Now, if you see AB answer is this 0, 10, 1, 3. For BA, 0, 5, 2, 3. Both are equal? No. Isn't it? You can say here AB is not equivalent to BA. AB is not equivalent to BA. There are some cases where you may find AB is equivalent to BA also. But in this case, both the elements are different. So we are saying it as AB is different from B. Okay. Now, next another problem we'll see. This problem. Here 2 into 3 elements are given and this one is 3 into 2. Anyhow, we'll work out this row multiplied with this column. Find AB. AB, if you want, you can write one more column also. Same 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 3, minus 2, multiplied with 1, 5, 7, 3, and 5, minus 2. Okay. Now, 2 into 1. 2 into 1, 2 into 1 and 1 plus 1 into 7 plus 0 into 5. Next, how do you get? This is multiplied with another column. That is 2 into 5 plus 1 into 3, 1 into 3 and plus 0 into minus 2. This row and column is over. Now second row will take with columns. Second row is this one only. So 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1, 3 into 7, 3 into 7 plus minus 2 into 5. We'll write it in brackets, minus 2 into 5. And for the next element, 1 into 5. 1 into 5 plus 3 into 3 plus minus 2 into minus 2. Okay, now we'll do the multiplication. So this is 2, 7, 2 plus 7, 9. This is 0 only. So 2 plus 7, 9 it is. Next one, 10, 3, this is 0 only. 10 plus 3 means it is 13. Now this calculation 1 into 1 is 1 and this is 3, 7, 3 there, 21 means 22 it is, and this is 5 into 10 minus 10, minus 2 it is. So minus 10 it is, minus 10, minus this is 22 and minus 10. It comes to 12. So this is 12. Calculation able to follow? 1 into 1, 1. 3 7s are 21. Comes to 22. 22 minus 10. This is 10, minus 10. 5 into minus 2. Minus 10. It is 12. Okay. Next. So this calculation, 5 1s are 5. 3 3s are 9. And minus 2 into minus 2 comes to 4. Plus 4. So total if we see, 18 it is. Okay. So this is 18. Finally, the answer is this much. Total how many problems we have done? 3 problems. One is first one is very simple. Okay, just multiplied with 5. Second one is AB and BA. AB answer is this. How we have done? A row we have multiplied with this column. In the same way, same row multiplied with another column. Like this we have done. In the same way BA. First we have written B and A. But when we do the multiplication, AB is not equivalent to BA. Am I clear? In the third problem we have taken differently. So columns are different. Here you can find different type of matrix, and second one also different. But anyhow multiplication is possible. Subtraction and addition is not possible. So what we have done? We have written all the elements and multiplied like this. Am I clear? You got the answer of this much. 3 problems we have done. If you are clear, please do practice. Practice is much required. Only one problem is given to you as homework exercise. Find AB and BA. A elements are given, B elements are given. First you have to find out AB. Same like here, AB. Then BA. BA. First you write B and then A. Answers are like this. AB answer is this. Whereas BA elements are same, both are same. Okay, both are same. It means in this case, AB is equal to BA. Here it was not like that. Both are not equal. But when you work out this problem, you will get these answers, means AB are equivalent to BA. I told you in the beginning only. So AB and BA may be equal or may not be equal. If it is equal, we'll say is equal to. If it is not equal, not equal. Doesn't matter, but both are acceptable. Hope multiplication is clear. In the coming classes, we'll see more problems. And stay connected. Don't forget to share these videos. Good luck.